I accidentally ended the previous video by not tapping the resume button. So it's actually a lot easier to take the key out than the entire spring or whatever this is called, piece of metal. And we are going to take 2 keys out. I only want to take 1 out. Oh, you have to do it again. Wait, no, this key has to come out first because this one is. And then you have to twist this. And you have to take them out like that. And we are almost there. Oh, actually, we'll put this one back then since the other key fell down. There we go. And we'll just open it up and take the spring out. There we go. And we'll put the key back in this. Oh, there's the key. Don't want to lose the key. Once again, if you buy used padlocks, be sure that they work, because you don't want to buy things that are broken and they don't work and you can't get a refund. Second I thought it broke because the key wasn't opening it. The other padlock, the big one that I got today. And I'm just gonna stick this key back into the spring. Then just run it like that. I wish the keys came out of the padlock, because then you have to spend more time taking them out. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and insert. There we go. I got this one out. I'm not gonna do the same thing to the other one on camera. Okay, got the other one open. I need these for the Hot Wheels garage, because I want to leave the garage door open and then somebody's stealing my cars. A YouTuber commented that, oh, do I have my toys for my parents? Like, no, I just store them right there because of limited space in my entire bedroom. I'm trying to make more space in the closet. By the way, I think I'm gonna make another cabinet on top of the vanity cabinet to put more items, because it's literally